Alright, welcome to another closing bell for week ending 5th of April. Although today is 4th of April, we had brought the closing bell earlier to this week for a market outlook and update, partly is because this Saturday we'll be doing our so-called annual event for the traderstrulreview.com, which is more like an update and get together for all the premium members and subscribers to come. So I've put in a bit of work, and together with the impact starting the general elections, plus the also couple of stocks listing that I have prepared for this group of people that is coming. I know there was some requests to have this stock available to premium members, but I got to be fair to them. I told them, look, this is our little secret for the people who come to the Saturday event. But it'll be great. But sooner or later, anyway, I will still release this list to you, no doubt about it. Probably I just have to do a bit of work getting it right. Market, definitely you all heard about it, that the Malaysian Parliament has been dissolved yesterday, and we saw this huge bar. Let me just show you this here. This is what I meant. This huge bar here that really sell off and hit the 200-day moving average. Now that's a key thing. If you've been reading my stock market comment for March as well as April, I've just done up the April one for as far back as February. The 200-day moving support at the 1630 level here. Let me just show you here. It's very, very critical here. This part in here. I talked to one of my analysts in the office, and we were just talking where I am full of brokers, remisers. He was talking about maybe going down to 1430. I doubt that's going to happen, but first you got to break to 1630 and then 1600 level first before we even talk about going beyond below 1430. That's to me is quite drastic. If you do see the market dropping to 1430, I can tell you that the foreign funds will already left the market, and that's why we're causing. As long as the foreign funds is not left the market, that will tell you they're pretty much in the show. Now what we have seen here is very, very particular. I just want to show you what I mean here. This bar that you see, let me just change the color. Can you all see this? Just give me a thinker if you can see the chart. Alright, pay attention, okay? This is what I'm talking about. Can you just give me a buzz, yes or no? Can you hear me? Right? Hope you can hear me. Good. Okay. Thanks. All right. Now, how many of you are coming tomorrow? I know some of you are outstation, can't make it. Be great to see some of my premium members there. Your support. Just give me how many of you are coming tomorrow? I know, Catherine, you can't because you're in Sydney. Okay, good. Yes, Tech. Thank you for your support, Tech. A lot of things to talk about tomorrow. Anybody else who is coming for tomorrow? I know also Cheng Bing. Yeah, Pixie, that's right. It's in Penang. That's right. I know that. Okay. Alright, good. Thank you for your support for those of you who are. So what I want to show you now is this here, the particular about the bar. I think some of you may notice is this long bar here. You see that? With the long doji tail. We did have one here too. Okay, and if you go further back from the chart wise, some of you may not have this. We did have one here, and another one was here. See that one? Let me just zoom in for you if I can. Let me see how I zoom in. Yeah. Okay, there you go. This is the one. Okay, the last two occasions when we have this long doji tail, one actually went off. Now remember, every time when we have this kind of silent climatic, it's a very silent climatic, market will maybe just go up or likely to come back down again. Okay, it's a silent climatic what we have, so we would see market gradually going higher, and today where we are is simply here. This is where we are. Fortunately, I'm just trying to push this more to the right side. Let me just get that right. Get the scale. Yeah. I don't know why I'm not getting that. Okay, so this is where we are now. Let me just refresh this again. Okay, there you go. Nice. So we would see now the market retest the old high. As I said before, don't be bearish in this market. You have seen this if you've been following my closing bell every Friday for the last 1 year. You know that I'm still bullish in this market. Where this point here, when the market broke below, I was getting very bearish about it. They tested in here, but immediately on the 22nd, I believe this was 22nd, right? Yes, 22nd March, the market broke back up. 22nd March was Friday. You see that? Okay, it did break back up Friday, and there's a good reason for that. The good reason for that is this. I'm going to just show you this. It's a foreign fund. It's all got to do with a foreign fund. Now remember, 22nd, okay, where the market broke down here. You notice that, right? 25th. Can you see that? 25th, 26th, 27, 28. You notice the huge number of foreign funds really buying, the 300 million, 400 million, and since then they've been buying. So under the disguise of selling, these guys are accumulating, and these guys are smart. Although I got a letter today from one of the subscribers, they said no, this foreign funds numbers come from Bursa. So how do you know? Bursa is not really putting out, pulling all of us. I said, like it or not, we in Jupiter we do have access to some of the information that a normal investor don't, and we do have a chance to talk to foreign funds too. And like it or not, we are seeing evidence. They really buying. Of course, they won't tell you what they buy, right? But matter say by itself, we are seeing foreign funds really buying, and this is pushing up the markets going any higher. So you can see that. Let me going up here. However, from a 5-day rolling accumulation, we're seeing a dipping. Although we hit a new high, almost 600 million net buying, which I have never seen before. And